Go.
This is my coding game, made by me, Lois. This is the introduction. My name is Lois. I'm 12 years old, and the game's name is The Village's Final Light. Here are some photos. As you can see, this is the beginning with the village, and this is the final battle with the boss. This is the destroyed village where you have to kill the enemies. This is the explanation of the fading code. This is the fading code. Here, this is the fading code. This means is equal to and is used to check if something is true, like if the fade state is empty, right here. And this means if the fade state is under 0, I mean the HP is under 0, then if this variable HP is under 0, then fade state would turn to lose. And this is when if the OBJ boss's HP is equal to 0, then the fade state becomes win. If the fade state, this is fade alpha plus equals fade speed, means that the time it takes for the fade to load in. And if the fade is bigger than 1, then it's done and complete, so it turns fully black. If the fade state equals lose, then the game will end. It will stop, but if this fade state is equal to win, it will go to the village too. Heavy attack, explanation. This is the heavy attack. If it's the OBJ's player battle, if it's his turn, if this is true, then OBJ's player battle heavy uses and it's bigger than 0. The OBJ boss's HP will subtract OBJ's player battle attack heavy, and attack heavy is equal to 15. So it will subtract 15 from the boss's health, and the boss's health is 100. And OBJ's player battle heavy uses has 4 uses. So once you click it once, it will get -1. And then after you click it, the player's turn will become false, and the OBJ's boss's turn will become true. That means it's the boss' turn to attack. Boss script explanation. If it's boss turn, the boss will stop for like 1 second and then attack, and then it will turn to false again. Here's more. OBJ player's battle HP minus equals attack. So if the boss attacks, it will minus it by this variable. So the HP of the player will go down, and then it will turn to the player's turn. This is for to follow the player. So if the OBJ player item down, which is this one, exists, the enemy kill will be +1. So like the variable will be +1, and when the variable reaches 5, it will go to this room. So like this only happens if it's collision with the bomb.
Mm-hmm.
And I made the same thing with the slash. It's the same thing. Here is the follow player. That means follow the nearest instance, X to Y. This is the OBJ's player position, and direction equals point direction. is going to is calculating the angle and where to go of the player's direction, and the speed equals 1. Else, if the player does not exist, it will become speed of 0, and it will pick a random direction from 0 to 360. The speed will become 1. It will wait for 2 seconds and then go to another direction. This is the village's map, and I used tiles.
Okay, now I want to see a room. I want to see the gameplay running again for me to see. Introduce each part of this.
There is a dialogue up here.
Mm-hmm.
It says, "My family is stuck on the other side of the path. I'll go help them. I'll pass you the sword." It'll go to this room, and this is the base. And here, there's kills, and once you reach 5, it'll go to the boss room. So here are 2 attacks, 1 and 2. You do that. See, I just killed them all, so it sent me here. So as you can see, heavy attacks 4 times, and player HP. This is the player HP, and this is the boss HP. When I click heavy attack, the boss HP go down, and then the boss attack the player, so the player also go down. If I click light attack, the same thing happened. But once I kill the boss, once my heavy attack run out, I can't use heavy attack anymore. See, I can't use it anymore. But then I use light attack. It'll fade, and yeah. It'll send you back to this room, and then you can play again. This is what happens if you lose. So if you lose the fight, it'll fade and then gone. And this is what happens if you lose against the enemy. It'll just go randomly. There's also another button for the fight. As you can see, the kill. You see the kill up there? This is for running. So you press this, you run away. And you'll see this. And
finish?
Yeah, finish.
Okay, so
oh, there's also more code.
So yeah. Okay, so finish. Should I finish?
No.
Not finish? Okay, continue to do it. Oh.
This is assigned variable, so I make the variable enemy count equals 0 and the alarm to 2 seconds.
2 seconds, okay.
So if variable enemy count is equal to 5, then no, it's less than 5, then obj enemy will spawn. And then it will add 1 to the enemy count. And then this is reset. This is the dialog code. I made the variables. Here is the event. If variable show dialog is equal to true, then and press space, it will make the name of the it will make this variable equal to this variable.
I was big. Do you want it big? I want to see bigger.
Like that?
No, it's so small. Big. I want you leave plus for big because it is good.
This is a variable. If variable dialog, which is this variable, this one, is true, then it will draw this. It will draw the rectangle, which is the box. Here's the code. So if dialog index is equal to 0, it will make the text. It will make this text. But if it's more than 0, if it's equal to 1, then it will make this text. So that's why we added this.
Finish.
One more.
One more. Okay, then you do it.
This is the bomb code, which is
The bomb code.
if bomb cooldown is bigger than 0, it will -1 from the bomb cooldown. And if keyboard check press, which is when pressed once only, then if you press E once, it will make the bomb cooldown. Oh no, this is checking. It checked the bomb cooldown bigger than 0. I mean, less than 0. And this is where the bomb spawning. This is the amount of bomb, and this is the radius, which is where it spawned. For var 1 equals 0, 1 equals 0. So, if I is smaller than bomb, then I plus I. So like plus 1 to I. And var. What happened?
No. I see. No worries. Cho hết thì mới để cần cái gì. Đây là cái gì. What do you play? What do you play with? What do you click here and I'll problem? I see.
So what do I do? What do you do? Wait. Why is it not working? How to fix?
It's waiting for me. Because you focus to speak. That's why.
I focus what?
Yeah, you focus to speak. Yeah.
Oh.
The line have problem. Don't touch the line. Don't touch the line. Okay?
Okay. So var angle equals 1, it will divide 360 by bomb. So that every time it will spawn 45 degree, plus 40 degree, plus 45 degree. And this is where the bomb spawning. X is like this way and Y is this way. Is this create layer bomb X? This is the spawning the bomb. And this is making the bomb cool down 2 seconds. Yeah, finish.
Okay, finish. So congratulations for Louis because you finished your demo. I see your game is so really beautiful as my student teach. So I have some question for you. Okay.
Okay.
Now you're running your game again. So I see you have the text. My family is what?
It's stuck on the other side of the
Okay. How you make it forward? How to make it? How you make it?
like this. Like I make another object with nothing,
Yeah.
and I add this. I make the value add. So you see, I make relative.
Yeah.
So add dialog index. That means like plus one into it. If I click space, then plus 1. and you can see if dialog index equals 0, it will show this. But if it equals 1, so if it plus 1, it will show this one.
Okay. This means when it goes 0 in the queue, right?
Yeah.
It will show the text is my family starts on there on the sign on the path.
Yeah.
But if the score we have gold have them, I will pass you this word, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's so brave and it's really hard. A lot of people they do it. So more second question. I think your text is change color like white and black, right?
Yeah.
So can you tell me the clearly of this part and you explain how you make it? I want to see the code you make it, change the color. You see, I see when you run the game, it's white, but it comes to the first room, right? It will come to the black color text.
Yeah. There's no black color text.
Yeah. Now you introduce this clearly about how you make it.
There's no black color text.
That's why, right? But I see when come to third room,
Okay.
and it will become a black text.
That is the. Wait, let me just kill the box.
Yeah, black text, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Here,
black
right?
text.
Here, right?
Yeah. Introduce how to make it.
So like, it's the like. Wait, let me get it. Is this code?
Yeah, introduce all.
So as you can see, I make. Where is it? I make the draw set color C black. So when I win, or lose, it becomes C black.
Yeah,
That's how I did it.
see black. So I have a question now. I see you write if fed state like queen, if fed state alpha, small one.
Yeah.
Draw text 32 128. So I want to ask you 32 and 128. You put that number, but the number for what?
It's coordinate.
A coordinate, but the mission of this number.
No?
Draw text 32 128.
This?
You say yeah. I asked the number for you. You put it. The reason why you put it that number, but it's not another number.
Because I wanted to be here.
To be here,
I wanted the text to be up here.
up here.
So if I put the coordinate like that, it will spawn up here. But if I change it, it will go like maybe too much up, too much down, too much here, or too much here.
Okay, so the 32 and 138, the direction left or right or between.
This is where it is. It is the direction is more to the left.
More than left.
Yeah.
That's draw text 32 and 138, right?
128 is the Y, and 32 is the X.
Okay. So I want to see the code again, coach. Alpha.
Alpha.
Alpha whole.
I make the variable field alpha. Alpha is like how black the rectangle is. So like if it's 0.1, it's only a little bit, and the more like if it's 1, it's all black.
Yeah. All black.
Yeah, that's alpha.
And draw a rectangle you do for what? I see you put draw a rectangle 0, 0, room width and room height. And
Because
so.
wait, let me show you. So if I don't put draw rectangle, this is the draw rectangle. You see when I fade, that is the draw rectangle.
Like animation, right?
Yeah.
Animation like if you got like when you finish second room to third rooms and then rectangle.
Yeah.
Okay. So can I see, have you ever used outline or timeline in your game?
No timeline in this game.
No timeline in this game.
Yeah.
Just only outline.
But alarm, yes. But
Alarms, okay. I want to see the win rooms and lost room. Do you have win room or lose room?
this is the win room. but no last room. Last room, if you lose, it exits the game.
So, okay, good. You don't have any sound for your game?
Yeah.
Why you put a sound?
I forgot.
Forgot?
Yeah.
Or the teacher teach you how to make the sound?
Yeah.
Clearly this part?
Yeah. Sound is easy.
So easy, why don't put it?
I forgot.
Yeah, I forgot, okay. So, can I see, now you introduce your rooms, 4 rooms, introduce your 4 rooms, introduce each mission of each room clearly.
So this is the base room, the original room. So this is like the home room. This is where like the text will be.
Yeah.
This is the fighting room. So
Yeah.
like where the enemy is. And this is the room where you fight the boss.
Yeah.
This room, I don't know what this room is. I don't know why. Just delete it.
You know what? You know what? Why what?
I accidentally add. And this room is the win room. So when you win, you go here.
So, do you use AI compiler to use make image?
No.
I see your game have a lot of great image and beautiful image. Who teach you doing this image?
Wait, look.
Who teach you do this image?
This.
Yeah, that's your image or your template game.
I use this template image.
Template image is not template game, right?
Yeah, only image.
All image. I see your game had the title set. Now you introduce the title set.
Wait, wrong.
Title set, your game, title set.
So this is my tile set.
Yeah, title set.
Tile set is kind of like painting, you know.
Yeah. Now I want you make a title set. You make another room. So you draw title set and you show how to do title set for me to see. Okay. Another room. I'm testing for this knowledge. Okay. How to do title set.
But I need to change it. Need to.
You will draw anything you want from your title set. I see you have title set, but now I will test your knowledge a little bit. How to make title set.
This is how to do tile set. First, you make tile set, and then you click this, click tile set, click that, and then you can open. And then I think it's stop. Hey. Then you go to tile set, you go like that, and you go that.
Yeah.
And then I zoom in.
Yeah. Zoom in.
This is so like if I want to make something, then I'll go like a click.
Yeah.
And I just draw
Oh, okay.
like that.
Well done. You make your map like a title set,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Good. Very
And
well.
like if I want to select something, I do like this.
How many rooms? How many rooms you have in your game?
I have I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have
4 rooms. Each room have each mission.
Yeah,
Different mission or same room, same mission.
different mission.
Missions. Now you introduce each mission of each room.
This room is the base room.
Mm-hmm.
It will tell you what to do, and yeah. And this room is the room where you fight the boss, where you kill the final boss. This room
Yeah.
is the room where the enemy spawn, where the
Yeah.
enemy kill. And finally, this room is when you kill the boss. Because I don't use the same room, village 1 and village 2, because when I use the same room, it will show the same text. I don't want to show the same text.
Some text.
Yeah.
Okay, well done. So, okay. I want to ask last question about Pum Khôn Đào. Can you introduce me Pum Khôn Đào? You do Pum Khôn Đào, Pum Khôn Đào. So, mission from Pum Khôn Đào for what? And why do you do it for Pum Khôn Đào?
Because if bomb cool